everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Christmas is literally just around the corner. It's almost December, and what I want to do over the next few days, the next few videos, is to give you recommendations on gifts. So some of the best gadgets and sneakers, different types of gadgets, from earphones to phones, to speakers, to headphones, different types of sneakers such as running shoes, lifestyle shoes, training shoes, and I just want to give you a bunch of recommendations that you might want to consider buying in December, either for yourself or as a gift to your loved ones. And to kick things off, I want to share with you guys in today's video what I think is the best true wireless earphones that you can buy today for under 10,000 pesos. This particular product that I'm going to share with you guys delivers exceptional sound quality, great value for money because it gives a ton of freebies and it looks pretty dope as well. So with that said, let's get to the video. And the True Wireless earphones that I feel delivers exceptional value for money and great bang for your buck. One of the best Christmas buys of 2020, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Yes, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. This one is a sleeper of a beast when it comes to active noise cancelling, when it comes to sound quality, and amazingly also value for money. And I want to start with that. This one is available for pre-order right now and it sells for 7,999 pesos. Whoa! Paano naging value for money yun, Carlo? That's so pricey. But wait a minute, kaping mainit. So the great thing is that they're offering so many freebies if you get it for pre-order. First, you get the Huawei Band 4, which is an amazing everyday fitness tracker that you can have on your wrist. That one I think sells for, let me just check the price, that sells for 1,899. You also get a free Huawei Wireless colorful speakers that sells for 1,399. And they're even giving like an entertainment package, which I have no idea what it is. Looks like a notebook and a bunch of other stuff, but it is priced at 2,099 pesos. In short, you get freebies worth almost 5,000 pesos if you pre-order the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, which I think again is exceptional value for money. In fact, if you are shopping for Christmas gifts, you can actually split it apart. So you can pre-order, you can get this and give it to someone, you can give the Huawei Band to someone else, you can give the speakers to someone else, and the entertainment package for someone else. So, diba? So you buy one thing, you can give 4 gifts. So dun palang panalo na. Or you can keep this yourself and give the other stuff to people as Christmas gifts. Well, if you want to pre-order, I'll link it down below. Now, I also mentioned that it was dope looking. So this one is the white version, but there is also an option for ceramic silver, which I feel is the best looking of the bunch. This one in white kind of looks generic, but the silver, man, that just looks really elegant, really premium, really classy, and so much more expensive than what you're paying for it. Now, the next amazing thing about this one is the sound quality. When it comes to sound quality, this one is more on the fun side. And when I say fun side, the emphasis on punchy bass. So it's not the loose kind of bass wherein there's like, extended reverb. It's punchy bass. So if you love listening to hip-hop, if you love listening to dance tracks, if you love listening to pick you up type of sounds, this one works really well. But it doesn't mean to say that the mids and the highs disappoint. In fact, you will get a lot of separation. You will hear the different instruments as they are playing, either on the left and the right. May pagka-surround sound effect siya, and it's really great when it comes to sound quality. The next thing is that this is packed with a lot of intelligent technical features. In fact, as you are walking in different places, in different environments, it has intelligent ANC. You have the Ultra mode, which is the ultimate noise cancellation mode, which is perfect for traveling or when you're on airplanes. You have the Cozy mode, which reduces mostly low spectrum sound. So if you're in a quiet place, but there are small rustles of sound like flipping books or, low conversations, that snuffs that sound out. And lastly, you have General mode, which basically is your day-to-day, when you're out in the streets, it blocks out most of the ambient sounds. Now, if you are going to talk to somebody, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro also has the voice mode or awareness mode. So just long press on the stem and it will amplify and enhance the sound of the people you are talking to. So the microphones actually pick up the voice of the person you're talking to, and it amplifies it through your earphones, so you hear it better while it blocks out all the other ambient sound. Ang genius eh. So you don't have to take out the FreeBuds if you are going to talk to someone, which is a nice feature. And if you are the type who loves connecting your True Wireless earphones to multiple devices, this one has dual device connection. So you can connect it to your tablet, you can connect it to your phone, and when somebody calls you on your phone, you can actually answer it via your FreeBuds as you are watching something on your tablet. And lastly, I love the fit. And that is critical for me when it comes to earphones like this one. Because my main issue with a lot of earphones that look like this is that they fall off my ear, especially when I am working out. This one gives a really good fit, a secure lock without putting too much pressure on your ear canals, which is what you get if you buy those in-ear, really deep type of sports earbuds or earphones. This one just right, sits comfortably on your ear, and it has the microphone which works amazingly well if you are doing video calls, which is like a must these days, especially for everybody watching today who's doing work from home, and you're still relying on crappy earphones or wired, earphones or gigantic, clunky headphones. I think you are the type of people who will benefit the most from picking up a pair of the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. One question I usually get asked every time I review like a smartphone branded set of accessories like this one is, Carlo, is that exclusive only for Huawei devices? No, obviously not. Obviously, there are advantages to using it with the Huawei phone, but ultimately it should work, and it does work with all the other different phones that are there in the market today. So again, guys, if you are looking for a great set of True Wireless earphones this Christmas, one of the best value for money in my opinion, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, pre-order $7,999, and you get a ton of freebies. If you get it during the pre-order, it just delivers exceptional value for money. And with that said, that wraps up my vlog for today. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I pray that you all have an amazing week up ahead. And reminder, Christmas is really all about sharing and giving. So while I am talking about great products like this that you can buy for yourself, ultimately, always please plant in your head that notion that it is about other people. So if you will buy this, maybe you might want to gift it to somebody else or give the freebies to somebody else. Let's just try to have that spirit of generosity as we go through December, because there are a lot of people in need, a lot of people who need help, and let's try to reach out to as many people as possible, especially if you are blessed. And with that said, this is Carlo. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.